And there's a technical foul for jersey number 71. Jersey number 71. No basket yan.
Tagal nito, utang ka nito. Bebe. Ano yun, be?
Ready for jumbo.
Sawa ko pa yung nag-referee, oh.
Jersey number 26, the jersey number 71, fire for three-pointer. No, rebound Yolanda.
Okay, labo yun.
Jersey number 1, Aquino. Kick up to Dominguez, back to Aquino, feet onto the middle side. One time, no.
Lakas.
Two strong pass, miscommunication, first turnover for the second team Batista.
Handaan lang, be.
No.
Ay, be!
Miscommunication also for the side of Batangarogan. Turnover. Both teams make their first turnover of the game. Same ball. 18 on the shot clock. Seconds violation.
Sabi! Ba't to si Robert Dapilaga? Pogi yung dabayan?
Here comes Aquino. From the shot clock. Kick out to Aquino. Back to Dominguez. Starts for three. No. Here comes Dominguez again. No. Same ball. 15 on the shot clock.
Ay, pahinga, is tubig, be.
Back to Aquino again. Third. No. Rebound by Dominguez.
Be, kuha mo ata yung tubig.
Waiting for his teammates. Back to
Ball.
Lozano.
Ay, gog pa. Layo ko na.
Jersey number 71. Lays. No. There's the foul committed. For the jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. That's the first
Dapat yun, kulay dilaw pa rin.
Ano?
Kulay dilaw to, kulay dilaw. Pag yun nagputi.
Tanggal na.
Ay, hindi naman tayo.
Here comes Aquino again with the leather. Back to Dominguez. Pick out to Aquino. Starts for three. Short. Out of bounds. Second turnover for the side of Batangarogan. And Silvia Matito will take possession.
Tong, isa pa, Tong.
19 on the shot clock. Here comes Gula on the run. Kick out the pass. No. Here comes Dinakali with the rebound. Nice feed to Aquino. Aquino on the run. Deflected the pass. Here comes Gula. Rafael Gula.
Tong, ikaw kumuha, Tong. Ikaw kumuha, Tong.
4 in a row.
Yee! Sinabi na kasi!
Here comes Perez. Lays it in. 2 points. A 6-point game.
Paikot mo na lang,
Here
kita ka,
comes
Tong.
Dominguez again. Setting screen. Cross.
May gago ka, nanonood pala. Nagbibigyo pa na ako.
Committed.
Nawala sa isip ko, nag-video pala ako, Dre.
21, that's his first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution.
Nawala sa isip ko.
Naiiwan.
Oo nga, gandang kod.
Here comes Benjo Dominguez, shooting two. First throw basket count.
Piso lang yun.
Ang napitro ba eh. Ano yan, 3 points?
And 2 out of 2 from the free-throw line for Dominguez. Here comes Dula. Dula with the leather. Fighting off his teammates. Back to Ortizano. Kick out to Abara. No. Rebound by Perez. Fighting Dula. Fly by three-pointer. No. Rebound by Plenario. Taking his time. Kick out to Dominguez. Dominguez with the bomb. Dominguez again. No. Perez with the rebound. Here comes Zabala on the run. Same ball.
Gagawin, kanina pa dilaw yun, Dre.
Nanginginig ka nga.
Asad.
Finding Mula off the block. Short. Rebound by Achay. Steal by jersey number 8. Jersey number 21. 3 seconds violation. Substitution.
Hindi ka na-alis dito sa court, di ba?
Hindi na.
Substitution. Here comes Dominguez, setting the play. Launching on the shot clock. Finding a Plenario. Back to Dominguez, stand on the shot clock. Rabanera, pull-up jumper. Rebound by Quintana. Jersey number 71. Using his body. 16 on the shot clock. Out of bounds, turnover.
Dapat ano eh.
Si Marco.
Hoy!
Jersey number 28. Finding the kaya. For Plenario 13. Oh, in and out. Dominguez finding a Plenario. 10 on the shot clock. Habanera. To Dominguez. Starts 13. Three. Another.
Mga tres yan.
Jersey number 21. And there's a foul committed for the jersey number 22. That's his first personal foul, second team foul. Kick out to Ortizano. Lance Ortizano.
Ba't parang dalaw?
Ano?
11.
Parang ganun ka mamaya. Yan, gusto ko yan.
8-4. A 2-point deficit for the side of Batang Looban. 16 on the shot clock. Here comes Dominguez. A fly-by three-pointer. No. Rebound by jersey number 8, Ortizano.
Tumawag ng play tong ah.
Back to Dula.
Ano iya?
Ayun, naiyan.
Kick out to jersey number 7 to 1. Short. Here comes Abara. Pull-up jumper. To Perez. 2 points. Timeout. Batang Looban will take the possession after the timeout. Here comes Dominguez with the leather. 20 on the shot clock. Setting screen. Here comes Dominguez. 13, no. Rebound by Ortizano. Finding Dula. 4 Jersey number 71, offensive foul. Jersey
Magaling,
number
magaling, magaling, magaling. Maganda, 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 maganda.
Second team foul. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds left on the third. Back to Rabanera. Fly point 3-pointer. In and out. Take out to Dominguez. No.
Kapinsan ko to.
Rebound by Plenario. To Dabayan. 3 points for jersey number 77. Back to Manavedo. 16 on the shot clock.
Lalo na kayo manalo niya.
Manavedo penalty. And there's a foul call for the jersey number 11.
Wala,
That's
lumi.
his first personal foul, 15 foul. Jersey number 71 will shoot three on the free throw line on his first attempt.
Juris! Mark, Curtil Juris, no? Juris!
On his second attempt,
Bakit?
missed the shot.
Bakit, Dre?
Ah!
Bakit?
On his last attempt, Batang Lobo will take the possession. Substitution. Ed Patrol ulit.
Alam mo na, Mark, ha? Bawal, ha? Pwede yan.
Back to Dominguez. Dabayan. Tiga to Dominguez. Raise it in. Rebound by Dominguez. Rabanera. Fast for three. A 1-point lead on the first quarter for Gonzaga Vedo. Taking his time. There's the foul.
Hoy, JR! Nagpapapogi ka!
That's his first personal foul, 14 foul, warning for
Ano si
penalty.
JR nagpapapogi?
Here comes Cadavedo, 10 on the shot clock. Finding Optizano, shot fake, 5 on the shot clock.
Nice
Steal,
one.
intercept pass,
Ayun na!
fast break pass to Rabanera. There's the foul call for the jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, that's his first
Elmo!
personal foul,
Elmo!
13 foul. Here comes Elmer Rabanera, shooting two.
Rep!
Basket count. On his second attempt,
Foul!
Corral two from the free throw line.
Foul yung number 65!
Here comes Batalao and giving pressure on the Yamatisa. Here comes Andrade. Steal. Lead pass to Rabanera. Hello, Rabanera. Jersey number 8, Ochizano.
Oliver!
There's the foul committed. Foul by jersey number 11. That's the second personal foul penalty. Substitution.
Juris!
Here comes jersey number 71. Shooting two.
Bakit?
Basket count. Men's second one.
Nakakatakot si Nob, no? Ang taas.
Dominguez with the left hand. No.
Chog Moral!
Here comes Cadavedo. Lead pass to Ortizano.
Patay ka na! Ubusang kanin!
Back to Pino.
Bayan.
Running for penalty. Last 45 seconds of the first quarter. Aquino with a traffic no. Lima Pagayag. Here comes Tagavedo.
Oh, you go pa. Oh.
Outside at 14. Well timed. Last 14
Galing,
seconds.
galing.
Well timed there for Tagavedo. Last 20 seconds. Here comes
Ang gago ka, dito na pala.
Stop it